Want to turn your writing into a professional sounding audiobook in minutes? Here's how to do it using ElevenLabs. First, go to ElevenLabs and create an account. Once you're in, head to the Speech Synthesis tab. Paste your text or upload a script file. This is where you add your story or book content. Keep it clean. No weird formatting, just plain text. Choose your voice. ElevenLabs has a ton of natural sounding voices, or you can clone your own. Pick one that matches your story's tone, calm for drama, expressive for fiction, or deep for mystery. Adjust settings. Play with stability and clarity until it sounds smooth and consistent. You can preview and tweak before finalizing. Generate and download. Once you're happy, click Generate. The file is ready for editing or upload to audiobook platforms. And that's it. Your audiobook is ready with studio quality narration. If you want your stories to sound real and professional, ElevenLabs makes it effortless.